Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your TREZOR Model One. This is a pretty simple thing to do, but before you do that, please make sure that you have your backup phrase stored somewhere safe and that only you have access to it, and that you even have access to it. Because without it, you won't be able to restore your wallet later. So either have access to it or transfer all the money from your TREZOR to a different wallet, so you just don't lose your money, right? Now, once we have that established, let's go to settings, device. At the top you'll see wallet backup and you can click on check. Then you'll be able to enter all the words from the backup phrase to verify if they are written down correctly. It is important you sometimes may write something down unclearly, and it's better to verify it to make sure that you have access, that you will have access to your wallet later after the factory reset. Now, as you scroll all the way down, you'll find wipe device. In device, of course, tab in settings. Click on wipe device. Click on I understand this action deletes all data on the device and that you understand that you must have your wallet backup in order to regain access to your funds. Click on wipe device and then click on confirm on the TREZOR. Wait a moment, and now it is wiped. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.